So in order to purchase V-Bucks, of course, we just have to go into the very last option like I just showed you right now. And we're gonna select this option, for example. So from here, we can just press on purchase. Once we press on purchase, we should see this. Please wait, it's gonna load up. Once it finally loads, we're gonna see this, exactly how much this is. Now this is about 100 bucks. We're just gonna go into confirm purchase. Now remember, we do not need to add funds into our wallet since this is already linked up to our PayPal or your credit card, whatever you guys are using. So we can just go ahead and purchase this. So thank you, your purchase has been completed. So we're done. We can just return to application. And at this point, it's okay that it says purchasing. We should see our V-Bucks going up and up. So right now I have 14,000. That's because I had a few V-Bucks from before. But we did just purchase the 13,500 V-Bucks. So at this point, we could do anything with our V-Bucks. Buy a bunch of stuff, gift people all the skins that we want. However, if you guys would like to gift out the Battle Pass, you can't use your V-Bucks. So don't use it for that purpose. You have to use actual real money, not the V-Bucks that we just purchased. So if you're thinking of gifting, only do it for skins and stuff like that from the item shop. For now, what we're gonna do is go into our item shop and we're gonna go and purchase the Battle Pass. We're not gonna go for the bundle because the bundle is just buying levels. I'm not a real fan of that. I'd rather just do the levels myself and that's it. So we are gonna go ahead and buy the Battle Pass. We're gonna press X on there. We're gonna select the very first option where it says buy Battle Pass. We're gonna confirm this. And finally, we have it. Now, just in case if you guys have PlayStation and an Xbox, those V-Bucks are not transferable. So whatever V-Bucks you guys buy in your PlayStation, they will stay in your PlayStation. You cannot use them on your Xbox, by the way. So right now we have all these upgrades. I'm not gonna equip any of them. I'm just gonna go next, 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 next. Although some of them are pretty cool, such as this glider. I'm gonna go next, and here we go. So this is something I would equip, and I actually am, so I'm gonna equip it in this case. And V-Bucks, yeah, you guys get to claim V-Bucks if you guys have the Battle Pass, which is the best thing about Battle Pass, besides getting a bunch of skins that are pretty awesome. Anyways, right now if I go into my locker, I'm gonna be able to see all the new things that I got. I can see this, I can equip it. However, that glider only works with that skin. So I'm actually gonna change that up. I'm just gonna use my all-time favorite glider for now. And if I go into Battle Pass, then if I want to confirm that I do have the Battle Pass, I can just click on myself. And I can see that I do have the Battle Pass. Right here it says Battle Pass level 14. Since hey, I've only played one day. But anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. And watch out for those giveaways that are coming right up.